efethu abantu abafunda isifundo ejele abafuna nokuthi kwazeke ukuthi wakwaboshwa clean into ongakazi uyibona umuntu wakhona like umuntu oyiqondele oyiphushela into zakhe uhlanganisa ilife yeah understand yeah understand abantu abafunda isifundo ejele Chris ngeke ubezwe behambe bephamisana nenombolo la estradini befuna ukuvezela abantu
I think I can say
jele kudliwa ekseni yeah understand after siqeda ukubavulela kumasela masiqeda ukubacounta and everything bavulelwa behambe beyodla breakfast yayizwa leyo nto emva kwe breakfast qhubeka ilanga laba bahamba beyo attend ama class bayawa attend aba kuma sporting codes abajimayo abanjani ya understand leyo nto le then around I would say kuhlukana ngamajele lapho yabo around past 12 or past 1 ya understand so bese khishwa idish yokugcina
nini
past 12 emini
yeba
or 1 manje I can tell you sebephakeliwe badlile yeah understand badlile manje ngo3 uyavala itsilo yakudla ukudla kwakho noma uyakubeka uyokudla late yeah understand lento le nihlale nisho ukuthi there's breakfast lunch and supper mina I've yet to see into enjalo ejele angiyazi and nokudla okudliwa lapha Chris akusiko ukudla mfethu ongathi ukudla la eGasi akusinto ongazobe proud ukutshela omunye umuntu ukuthi hayi mina ngizokubhanta intela ngiyohlala futhi laba abajwayele ukusho njalo mina ngizokubhanta intela abantu kade bebafazi ejele lapho
bazali bami if wonke umuntu oke wabe ejele or if abantu abasejele currently they were telling the truth about the situation esejele I think the amount of crime in South Africa izoyehla izodecrease ngendlela ebaleke kakhulu because into thina siyaziyo ngejele ukuthi ejele kuyadliwa ejele badla 3 times a day ejele kuyagezwa ejele bayihlalene nje as if base boarding school bayafana nengane ese boarding school you are just not allowed ukuphuma ejardini but you have freedom to education you have freedom of speech uyadlala isoccer uyadlala ama game kunesonto nje yazi uyafana nje nengane ese boarding school uyayithola just that unesikhathi sokulala nesikhathi sokuvuka cha but okunye nokunye konke ku right and nako lokho kuthiwa bayahlukumezeka phakathi abayisho lento le ingakho I think abantwana abancane ba South Africa balisaba ijele nalo ngakaze wayakula ngalisaba ijele ngoba laba ababuye ejele or laba basejele especially now because ngathi it seems like they do have access to my cell phones because a lot of them banama cell phone bafanga lo mgunyathi wabo loyo you'll find them ukuthi talk ebusuku if we had ama prison warders namaphoyisa akhuluma iqiniso ngejele kanje I think abantu bazolisaba ijele cabanga nje ukuthi udle kayi2 ngelanga okay ayikho inkinga ukudla kayi2 ngelanga imagine ukuthi umuntu sojwayele la kini udla indlela ofuna ngayo then mase ufika lapha kuthiwa no wena uzodla ngo1 isapha yakho ngo1 then you don't see anything wrong and I think abantu they should just speak the truth bayeke lento lokuthi mababuye ejele benza ngathi ejele kuse vacation I know of abantu abangena ejele ban HIV negative baphuma ba HIV positive that shows ukuthi ejele kuyagripana kudlalo lapha kuyagripana kudlalo usuka la ubaba umuntu yindoda ufikele ubomfazi womuntu those are reality of ukuboshwa those are reality of being a prisoner but abantu abayisho le kukancane the only person nengangamuza there are very few I think it's this guy this prison ward okhuluma iqiniso lejele and if you look at the comments there on the video ngibone na ku TikTok if you look at the comment abantu they are saying unamanga uyenze ngathi ijele into ebhlungu uyathanda ukukhuluma kodwa into ayikhulumayo they know deep down ukuthi iqiniso I feel like if abantu abasejele ngabe bebayenza ama talks ezikolweni ngabe bebayenza ama talks ezikolweni ku la khona especially ukugcwele abantwana babafana more especially ezikolweni ku whatever emasontweni nani I think abantwana bebazoyisaba ijele because I'm telling you for friends over umntana omncane ona 16 oqala impilo njenyana ebugebengu angazi ukuthi wenzani athi ngizokubhanta intela it's easy for people to say that ngizokubhanta intela mina ijele angilisabi ngoba akayazi into yenzeke ejele sibona laba ababuye ejele mababuya la indlela abalipheza ngakhona ijele uvela ubone ukuthi ingakho umuntu lokachubeka yenze crime and if ijele libhlungu ngalendlela lobhuda uchaza ngakhona I don't understand why people abantu abaphila a normal life emakubo okay I do understand the poverty even though it doesn't justify you being a criminal. It doesn't justify you doing all things. But angithi uzovela uthi kwala endlini vela ngidla ngcone ejele ngidla mahhala. But umuntu ohlala nje right avela decide to know what mina ngizophinde ngibuyele ejele. I don't understand ukuthi ile demon lasejele lisuke likubiza around 2 or nje ufuna ukulunga uyilitshe. Ufana nembuzi ulungiswa ngenduku awuzwa nje wena awuzwa unenkani unalenkani le ecakile. So I don't understand, but I feel like we need abantu abaningi abafana nobhuti, and because sure we have a lot of people they wouldn't believe. I think bangasho umuntu obuyejela kuthiwa lapha kudlalwa lapha asugina sigama makho and lapha unasihlobo ziyabuya lapha kunzima lapha, and lapha ungasuka nje udlengula cabanga nje ukuyodlengula kunzima kangaka. Yabo if singaba nabantu abaningi abakhuluma kanjalo, I think i-crime izoyehla, or abantu abangakayenzi crime abantu nje abafana laba abancane bazolisaba ijele. Ngoba mawungabona inkinga nje yala eSouth Africa abantu abalisaba ijele, ingakho abantu benza ubugebengu kanje. Abantu abalisaba ijele, they feel engathi ijele kuse hotel or ejele kuse boarding school just nje ngoba kunaleyo mithethonyana leyo okunye nokunye akukho nzima. Cabanga ijele kuthiwa livala ngo-3, from ngo-3 wena sovalelekile usaphuma from ngo-3. Inzima yendaba sejele. But that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.